Euro Football Weekly is sponsored by bwin.
Show where we take a look at the betting lines of the upcoming European football fixtures. Today we're joined by Stuart from BetAdvisor.com. Stuart, welcome back to the show.
Hi, Natalie.
Now this weekend we'll see Manchester City play host to Cardiff City. The huge favourites, of course, are the home team. Using SBRodds.com, which offers the best available odds on the market, Manchester City is priced at 1.14 with Paddy Power. Cardiff can be had at 19 with Bet365, and the draw is priced at 8.5 with Paddy Power. Now the last time they met, they played back in August at Cardiff City Stadium, and they won 3-2. So what can we expect from the Welsh side this time around, and will they score?
Well, I think this is going to be a very, very tough game for Cardiff. I mean, as you said, they've won the first meeting between these two sides this season, but everybody knows that Manchester City are an awesome side at home. They are completely incredible. I mean, as we've seen just last night, they absolutely thrashed Blackburn. Now, I know Blackburn aren't of the same quality, but they really have the ability to put sides to the sword, and with Aguero back in the team, they could really rack up a decent score here.
Yeah, when I was doing my research here for this this match, if you just look at the odds here, we've got, both teams to score, that's priced at 2.2. No is priced at 1.61. City keeping a clean sheet, 1.72. These odds are low, really. It's all suggesting that City are going to dominate this match. One bet I did like, though, was the over 1.5 in the first half on goals here, and that's priced at 2. What are your thoughts on the bets for this match?
Well, yeah, you've actually picked out the same bet as Oddsmaker did. He's one of our tipsters on BetAdvisor, and he wrote to me earlier today, and he said to go for the over 1.5 goals in the first half. It's around 1.95 when I looked, so if it's gone up to 2, then that's even better.
I got those odds there from Bet365 about half an hour ago, so they should still be good. Is that your official bet for this match?
No, that's not our official bet. I mean, there are a couple of possibles in this one. You could look for the over 3.5 goals, which is around 1.98. Or you could have a look at City minus 2.5 goals. That's 2.13. That's also Alan Hadzic's selection, so he's going for that one. City are my tip for the title this season. I really think they've got such a good squad, and they're getting better all the time. So I'm actually going to back City to cover the spread and get a solid win in this one. So City minus 2.5 goals. That's around 2.13 average odds.
Okay, well, it shows that there is a value in a match even when you have such a big favourite. Stuart is from BetAdvisor.com. Do go and check out their website. They offer a 7-day free trial of their services, and also sign up to the BetAdvisor newsletter for tipsters' profiles and free bets from the BetAdvisor team. Stuart, thanks once again for joining us today.
Anytime.